Are you looking to get started in property? Do you have very limited funds? You lack the knowledge? And perhaps you don't know where to begin? Well, I've got the perfect strategy for you. You could potentially go out there and find motivated landlords who have perfectly pristine properties that you could potentially just rent from them, and potentially even get them to fund the furniture, and then look to splice up each of the rooms and increase your income by charging a higher room rate. And typically, in most cases, when you lease a property from a landlord and you turn each room into a HMO room, you'll be netting at least between £700 to £1,000 a month. And typically, in these scenarios, you only need less than £2,500 to get started. So you might be thinking what a HMO is. So let's take a typical 3-bedroom property. You have 3 bedrooms that you could easily let on a room by room basis. However, in a lot of cases, there will also be potentially upwards of 2 to 3 reception rooms, and believe it or not, each of those rooms can be turned into a bedroom and also then be able to let as a HMO room to increase your income and of course your cash flow. So why is this strategy good on a rent HMO basis? It means you can get started with very little income, and within a very short space of time, within 6 to 9 months, you could have easily upwards of 2 to 3 HMOs up and running, and you could be up to £2,000 to £3,000 of income in no time at all. So that's a fantastic strategy if you want to get started with the least amount of capital to improve your income, and you'll probably only need 2 or 3 of these HMOs on a rent-to-rent basis to get towards the average income in the UK. Now, if you want further information, here are 5 top tips to increase your property portfolio, and here's the video.